brick of gold, man.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of AI music creation. On today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a full music video like the one you have just watched using two amazing AI tools, Suno AI and Noisee AI. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. First, we have Suno AI. Suno AI is a powerful tool that allows you to create original music tracks just by entering a text prompt. Whether you are a seasoned musician or a complete beginner, Suno AI makes it easy to bring your musical ideas to life. To get started, go straight to your Google search and type Suno AI. Click on it. It will take you to an interface like this if you are a beginner. Then click on Make a Song. Sign up for an account. In my own case, I already have an account. And if you are new to this website, daily you'll be given 520 credits. In my own case, I already used some out of it. We're going to use this website to get a song for our music video. What we need to do first and foremost is to click on Create. Then click on Custom. And here, enter your song lyrics or a brief description of the type of music you want to create. You can choose from various genres and styles. And just in case you don't have any lyrics of your own, I suggest you go to ChatGPT and ask for a song lyrics of your choice. Copy it and paste it here. Guys, don't forget I've done a video tutorial in the past on how to use Suno AI. So if you have not watched that video, I will be putting the link below in the description box. You can click on it to watch the full video tutorial on how you can create songs with Suno AI. In this video tutorial, I'm just going to try my best to explain each step of the tutorial on how to create song with Suno AI if possible. Okay, with that said, after entering your prompt here, scroll down here to choose the style of your music. As you can see here, there are different styles here you can choose from. You can just enter the style of your music here. It could be rock, it could be hip hop, it could be reggae, Afrobeat, depending on what you want. And then in here, come down here and give a title to your music, any title of your choice. And then click on Create. And then in less than 30 seconds, you have two songs generated by this AI website in which you will have the possibility to choose among these two songs. But guys, I must not also forget to tell you that just in case you don't want the song to appear with a soloist, like you don't want it with a chorus and all of that, it is possible for you to turn on this instrumental here. Click on this button to turn on your instrumental so that you have only instruments playing for your song, only sounds without voice. And then you click on Generate. In less than 30 seconds, you have your songs. So guys, so far, this is the song that I've generated for the sake of this video tutorial, and this is the song I want to use for this video tutorial. First, let me just play each of the songs for you to understand what I'm trying to say. The one with the instrumental and the one with chorus, with the soloist and all of that. So let's listen to the first one.
Pocket full of yen and pesos, future acting dollar bills. Every single brick.
Okay guys, this is the first one. Now let's listen to the one without the voice, the chorus, just an instrument. Okay guys, I hope you noticed the difference between the two. As you can see, the songs are very long. This one is about 3 minutes and 34 seconds, and this one here is about 41 seconds. It's just so you can understand what I mean. Now that we are done with creating our songs, we're just going to click on this 3 button here to have it downloaded. Click on this download here and then head over to where you have audio and click on the audio to have your song downloaded. And then with that done already, we're just going to move out of this AI website to the next AI website that will help us to bring our music to life, which is called Noisee AI. Okay guys, now that we have our music downloaded, it's time to create the visuals using Noisee AI. Noisee AI is an AI-powered tool that transforms your music into stunning music videos. Let's see how it works. First, go straight to your Google search and type Noisee AI. Click on this very first one here. Then it will take you to a dashboard like this. Click on Create Videos and sign in with your Google account or with your Discord account. Okay guys, with that done already, it will take you to an interface like this. As you can see here, it's written paste a supported music URL here or upload a local music file. So guys, it's possible for you to upload music URL from Suno AI, as you can see in this case, or YouTube, Audio, SoundCloud, Stable Audio. Or if you have the recorded audio already, just click on this very button here, click on this sign here, this arrow up here. It will take you to whatever you have it on your file, and then you have it imported. So guys, you have two options or alternative. Either you are clicking in here to insert the link that you've gotten from Suno AI or your YouTube or SoundCloud, or just click here to have your audio imported. In this case, I'm just going to import the audio that we have recorded using Suno AI. Open and wait a few moments for it to be downloaded. Okay guys, as you can see, the length is just in 30 seconds, but it's possible to extend it to 1 minute. I think that should be the maximum if you are on a free plan. Yeah, which is 60 seconds maximum. As you can see here, the song is supposed to be 3 minutes 35 seconds long, but because we are using the free plan, we can't go beyond 1 minute. So we're taking 1 minute of the song to create our video. Okay, as you can see here, it's written what do you want to include in this video. Here you should make description or type in a prompt how you want your videos to be, the style of the video, make an explanation of exactly the outcome of your video. And also guys, I must not forget to tell you that it's possible to upload a reference image here. You can upload a reference image so that the AI will follow the instruction using the reference image to get you a perfect video that will suit your demand. But in this case, I will not do that because as you can see here, we are on a free plan, so there are limitations to some stuff we can do here. Meanwhile, before we proceed, let's quickly see their plan. Let's click on view plans to see their plans. Okay, currently we are on a free plan, which is a zero cost. Okay, otherwise monthly you should be paying $20. Okay guys, let's go back and continue on our free plan. Now guys, in here, as I've said earlier, make a description of how you want your videos to be. In this case, let's try to type something here. Okay guys, now we have typed in our prompt. We have given the instruction of how we want our video to look like. Now next is for us to choose the aspect ratio. In this case, is already a YouTube format, which is a 16:9. I think it's okay this way. I'm just going to click on generate and wait in less than 30 minutes for it to generate our visual scene for amazing music video. Exactly, I think all these photos relate to the prompt I typed in here. Exactly, yeah. Okay, Knock knock, your music video is saved. Okay guys, now let's click on open to see the outcome of our music video. Now let's play it and see the outcome of our music video.
Pocket full of yen and pesos, future wrapped in dollar bills. Every single brick of gold, man, in the shadow of all these hills. Starving kids on city streets, eyes on stars keep the beat. Coins in the jar don't mean a soul. Money's what can make us whole. Money makes the world go around. Clutching cash and it'll never let you down. Big fat stash just keeps you sound. All hail the mighty dollar crown. Work all night at a dead end place. Dreams.
Wow guys, what do you think about this? I think this is not bad at all. Exactly what I typed in as the prompt was what I got, so I would say in my own case I'm very satisfied with the results. Just in case you're not satisfied with your result guys, it's possible to regenerate and also to edit the prompt here. You can re-edit them to suit your demand and then regenerate until you get a perfect video. I will say in my own case I'm just satisfied with this. I'm just going to click on download already. Guys, I must not forget to tell you that if you're on a free plan, there is a limit to how much video you can create. I think they give 60 credits, and once you exhaust it you can't do any further creations unless you get on a pro. Okay guys, so as simple as this. Then click on this download button, then you have your video saved to your device. Guys, what do you think about this AI website? Let me know in the comment section. Guys, I hope you are seeing a lot of money making opportunity from this video. Oh yes, just in case you have not noticed, there are several ways to make money with your music video. First, you can upload them to YouTube and monetize them through ads. Make sure to optimize your videos with relevant keywords and engaging thumbnails to attract more viewers. Guys, you can also share your videos on social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. They can help you reach a wider audience. You can also attract sponsorship or collaborations by showcasing your work. Guys, come on, what do you think about this? It's a huge way of making money online and getting yourself a financial freedom. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are great places to find clients. Guys, I know some of you may want to argue if you can monetize content like this on YouTube, Facebook, and other social media platforms. Yes, if not, why not? But guys, I must be sincere to you before I show you how you can monetize content like this. I must be sincere to let you know that there are AI websites that helped in detecting original music content and also AI generated content. Oh yes, we have tools like AI voice detector. We have tools like iCram amplifier. We also have tools like Dear Night AI and so many more. But guys, in spite of all this, trust me, it's possible to monetize content like this on YouTube, Facebook, and other social media platforms. You can monetize AI generated music on YouTube through ads, channels memberships, and super chats. Ensure your content complies with YouTube policies, including copyright and community guidelines. So guys, in as much as your content do not violate any of this, trust me, you can monetize your AI generated music on YouTube. As you all know, YouTube uses Content ID to manage copyright issue. If your AI generated music is original and doesn't infringe on existing copyright, you can monetize it without problems. So just in case you want to ask or you want to know if it's possible to monetize your AI generated music, yes, of course you can. And also on Facebook, Facebook allows monetization of videos through in-stream ads, fan subscription, and branded content. Your AI generated music video can be monetized if they adhere to Facebook's content policies. Oh yes. Similar to Facebook, Instagram offers monetization options like IGTV ads and branded content. Original AI generated music can be monetized if it follows Instagram guidelines. So just in case you are thinking if it is possible to monetize it on Instagram, even on TikTok, TikTok allows creators to earn through the creator fund, brand membership, and live gifts. AI generated music can be part of your content strategy if it complies with TikTok policies. So guys, there is nothing to worry about at all. By following these guidelines, you can successfully monetize your AI generated music on various social media platforms. Okay guys, finally we have come to the end of this video. Just in case you have any questions or you have your personal opinion or contribution to this video, feel free to share at the comment sections. I will really do appreciate that. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate your time. See you on my next video. Bye bye. Shalom.
Shadows on the wall, echoes in the hall. I call out your name, but no one's here at all. Tears fall like rain, lost in this pain. Memories fade, but the hurt remains. Why'd you leave me when I needed you most? Why'd you leave me? Now I'm just a ghost. Lonely heart alone. Only darkness knows. Nights feel so cold without you to hold.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.